All right, check this out. Welcome to the future. This is a freaking robot, no guide wire, GPS navigated robot lawnmower. Ignore the condition of the grass. I'm working on it. Hey, you guys, check this out. I'm really excited. This is a robotic lawnmower. It's a smart lawnmower, and it doesn't use guide wires. It uses fancy, super accurate GPS, RPK, RTK. Look, it has been raining nonstop. What did they say? April showers. The setup process on this was a bit of a learning experience, only because I wasn't familiar with how to set up a device like this. But today was the first day. I gave it a trial run. This is so cool. It performs so well. This is from BESTMOW. Their slogan is "Why mow? Let BESTMOW." Link in the description, but plenty more videos to come, total tutorials, everything.